Hello everyone, my name is Chan Kwasniak. Welcome to Nuer Tube channel. We have some update from Gambella. As you all know, on 14th of August, yesterday, the Gambella Regional Government Press Secretary Office posted information about the inauguration of the two leaders that were selected by Dr. Abiy Ahmed, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. Uh, and today is on 15 August 2024. And Gambelian or Gambela people, they are looking forward to that. Uh, the regime change in Gambela with the leaders that are being selected, the newly elected leader by the Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed, it will bring Gambelian together to work together. We all have seen a good sign yesterday. Many Gambelians are very happy for this move from the federal government. I have information here as we are looking forward for the integration of these leaders in Gambela. Gambelian Regional Secretariat Office, they did not post about the current change in Gambela, but they still have posed some developments, and I'm going to read it out so that you guys can read it. I will read what they say yesterday before I read what I have here. Yesterday they said the ninth regular session of Gambela City Council has been concluded by approving more than 390 million birr for 2017 budget, which is Ethiopian year, and approving a different appointment. Gambela City Council third round election period, third year term, 9 regular assembly has been approved by different agendas, including the budget plan. During the regular session, Gambela City Administration 2016 budget year work report was presented by City Administration Deputy Mayor Mr. Galwagach. In addition to the City Council and the High Court presented the report of the 2016 budget year to the Assembly and discussed. The Congress has finally approved 390,850,489 bill for the 2017 budget year plan. The Council has examined it and approved different leadership appointments, and according to this, Mr. Kanflip, Head of Organization and Public Relations, Mr. Akia Biel, Irrigation and Wastewater Environment Development Office, Mr. Taninye Os, Head of Gambela City Administration Revenue Office, Mr. Choltut has been appointed as the Head of Gambela City Transport Office. In addition, Gambela City Council speakers, Mr. Quich Wu has accepted the nomination of the father of two standing committee. Candidates have taken oath before the Assembly to fulfill their responsibility given by the government honestly and diligently. If you hear this message, right, the thing not relating to what is happening in Gambela about the leadership change, they are still not, to give us what is happening in the government. They are talking about budget. Okay, these are the things that should be indicated later on when things get better. Uh, the message that they have written again today after this, uh, after 13 hours, they said a 3 years peace building project has been announced in Gambela in Itang Special Warada. 3 years, 3 years building project. It has been announced yesterday. It has been announced in Gambela anytime special already. 3 years project. Where were this project before? Why are they announcing it today? Because we are not seeing any development. What kind of project is that? The project is implemented by Sweden charity organization in cooperation with Ethiopia Full Gospel Believer Church Development Commission. From Gambela Region Government Communication Affairs Office, August 8, 2016, Ethiopian calendar. The Ethiopian Full Gospel Believer Church Development Commission Peace Project coordinators Mr. Seleshi Meriga, and peace is the foundation of everything, so the project will focus on maintaining peace. What kind of peace are they talking about here? This is trash. What kind of peace building? Here we are yearning, we are crying for peace to prevail in Gambia. They're talking about project that can bring peace. What kind of peace? The peace is here. We need everything should be stopped. Miss Alimitu Umot, the president, the newly president, and the vice president, Dr. Galwarwan, we want them to take over. All these things should be stopped. Everything they are doing should be stopped. Budget, talking about development, Galwarwan should start from crash, should start from the grassroots, because Gambela already failed. For the first 5 years, nothing was done. So, what I'm saying, everything should be stopped. First, these leaders should be inaugurated, should be given their job, and then they start working. That's when all these projects should come in, so that they can approve it. I know that when a leader is elected or selected, government work supposed to be stopped until further notice, because everything should start working. Why are these offices working now in Gambia? And yet we are looking forward for the regime change. So this does not look good. Still, Gambia got a long way to go. Anyway, today marked the end of the Gambela regime, the previous government, because it is on 15th of August that the inauguration should start, which is today. So we are looking forward. Still, there's no message from this Gambela Secretariat, Press Secretary. They haven't yet said anything about the current development in Gambela, and we are looking forward to that. So this is a message that I have relating to what are happening in Gambela. Thank you for watching.